The best part of waking up. We save, we pass, we shoot and score. We go on away trips. But the things that last forever are the brutal hits. Camp Ottawata, we hate you and Brady to Chuck. And when we get to play you, we see how much you suck! We wish you the best of luck. Now get it right or pay the price. Now we will share a season of the fondest memories. 60 wins and it's not over. The President's Trophy. Camp Ottawata, we thank you for the game. And when we think about you, this song is pretty lame. Play Ottawata, beat Ottawata, kill Ottawata, ugh! Ottawata.